to see it in a cultist matter. Now it lead to destroy the house. If not the one of the police buying for airport, according to the way my brother told just now, if not that one, they will still bring out, because when the police buy all the words here, but they will still bring out to go say, see the people were involved for the police buy that, and now they arrest them. But they not arrest the owner of the hotel. They not serve any paper. You just go there, they just go steal her. Before they go steal hotel, you first of all send paper to her. Say, man, this hotel, see what the apple, or you get tax away one pay. If you not pay for first time, they will come close her more. So that person go know how hotel move to go find money to go pay. If not the one of Curtis, not fit just come say they want to come see the hotel without police not arrest the person where you get the hotel where you lead to the where they do meeting. They're supposed to arrest Iduoriyekemwen. They will arrest her, they will bring her to book before they will say they want to go destroy the hotel. But nothing happen like that now. Now Iduoriyekemwen, now they talk for ITV. Now they explain himself now, but nothing happen. We never know where to start now, we never know where we are going, where we are coming for. I beg, we are still begging. Before we go destroy the hotel, Mona investigate everything where I beg you now. All those with Obaseki, the foundation where Obaseki lay for grab before, I beg you, I beg all the old politicians, both APC, everybody, I beg you now. I beg you now. As an independent man, I tell they beg. All those foundations not good. It's not good. If according to the law, will not implement. If the person involved for the law, I not fit talk for that matter, because nobody they happy where would they lose our brother, our sister, our brother. Where would they make our sister to becoming widows? Small girls of now, they don't have us, but they are becoming widows. I don't support that kind of evil act. But if not, because of the tax on everything, more than some people want to give her the bill we're supposed to pay, me go pay. Or if anybody they involved for anything concerning the crime, if they want to destroy the person, I make government they seize the person, they go wrap paper put. They go turn that house to the government house. People they street where they suffer, where don't see how sleep. So the hospital, if they want to discharge, you know how to go. So the sleeping road, they go turn all those government house, they go turn her to all those government caritas house, to the happy people where they not get papa, where they not get mama. Some people where they buy their father, so where their father they rent. Government want help their wife, they will carry their wife, their children, go give them some room for them, make they stay. Now help be that one. All those one are part of promotion to the governor or to the executive governor, to the parties. To the destroy house, you know how much person used to build that house. Oh, now we just destroy her. You come to under it, you know, as the person lose, that's what we the government lose. More than not they destroy us again. More than they turn the house to the government property. It's very, very important. More than they turn us as a government property. I beg you now. Would they beg you now? Would they beg you now? Because all those way they are put, so nobody they happy. If next time, position is not forever. 4 years is not forever. 8 years is not forever. By the time 2 person carry ball, go feed, they go play match. Now one go win, he will go back again. The one way lose will go as. The one way win will go as. Next time they will meet again. Maybe they play the top match again. They will see the other side will see win. Now so politics be. No be only one side will just they go forever. You get the time where will take turn. You go enter other side. But the foundation where they made for grass, now they will take the time and say do well for that time. That's why we say 8 years is not forever. I bet. More they make a good legacy and a good foundation down for future, for the children and for the masses. Now, no see, Anna, the poster with this waiting happen for you. Mama, they could the loot television. They want loot television. They want loot the news where one come out. Concerning this destroying a hotel of Iduoriyekemwen. Whether Iduoriyekemwen or BDPO, any part will belong to, but I cannot support me that they destroy person house for nothing say. I cannot support. Because as far as I say I'm fighting for party 2, I never know what tomorrow will be. If another person carry position by 4 years or 5 years, but 10 years coming, he can remember what he passed for 20 years. Would they need more they go back and would they pray more they go forward? I beg we Edo people, our governor, I beg you, find a place for your heart to make sure you get sympathy concerning that hotel. Don't mind the one way about they talk with the other guy where they talk. Come, all those one when they talk, now to they put fire. This one not get help. All those one they get mad for with different corner for bag of doors. So who want do something? Now remember the time where Obaseki they destroy, I told you, I did not look back. If you not begin to put fire on us, now be offer, now be gonna be lawyer, I'm gonna call them, I'm gonna carry a go court now. All those who are one at the top, so now to they put fire. There's no solution. Now so you know filter. Now so you get Godfather. Now so you get this one. Now so they. Oh boy, all those who are one at the talk, when they take out they put more fire. This will not get anything to do with my Iduoriyekemwen problem. This will not be helping at the helper. It's something happen like this. Now to join head together and put solution. Appeal, please. Never you destroy the hotel like that. Now money they take down. If anything they way you do, Mona bring out to the book, make the words here, so that we'll know say what you do is very wrong. The government wants they want to destroy the earth for good things. As me be now, I be also as a force well we got TV. I'm an independent man. I'm supporting APC, but I not go see anything we go day bad where me not go talk am. I go talk as it be in case of tomorrow. Tomorrow can be another day. I dey beg you now. If other thing dey wey involve concerning this hotel wey they want go destroy, Mona bring the proof come to the crowd. Mona answer, and it's supposed to be arrested. They never arrest her. Whose crime can't lead to they not arrest her? They not carry her go court. Where can't lead to they want go destroy hotel side paper. If maybe you not pay the money, where supposed to be paid to the government, Mona give her the bill, go pay her. Instead of go destroy hotel. We dey beg our government of today. We are begging you, I beg. If for Baseki lay the foundation way not good for them, I beg. No, I beg. No put blood for the foundation where Baseki lay for ground. We are begging you. Make your own foundation where you go make with the Edo this man. Where you go make with the Edo go they support it, they go. I'm begging you, my governor. I'm begging you. I know say some go they come say, oh yeah, do this. Some go say, no, not be so. I'm begging you. As the father of Edo now, our Monoba is our first father. You now, you are our second father. Please, we are begging you. We know say you are government, you are governor, you have the power. But before when they do something, when they bring the people as the proof come out to the book, but they see we are begging you. You cannot be person where they don't see no for Nigeria or for those states. If they want to come give this shame and the grace to inside like this, I bet Mona see look front, Mona look back. Mona still look on herself say now before. Now because of politics, now you want make now divide you, so we call it say we are not one again. To say politics is a dirty game. Una be the same before, una be friend, una know ourselves because of election. Politics go, policy come. I beg you now, I beg you, my excellency Modo Okpebholo and Dennis Sidausa. If really, if they support bad thing, if they support all those courts, no problem. I know the best for that one, Mona bring out to book. If he support according to the way that my brother told you, say, if he support or involve alleged to all those buying of police for airport, when I see bring out to book, no, we see here now. Everybody they quarrel is there. Say government not take action because of that police where they buy for airport. He get mother, he get father, he get children, he get wife. If not that one, now he call result, now investigate. When they go on, now person confess and now person say this one, more now bring out to book. If police arrest people, they know the video the person, they not go interview the people. And with the beg una. We don't want me to do anything as a darkness movement again. I beg una. The world don't civilize. I beg you now, more we respect ourselves. I beg you, my excellency governor, Modo Okpebholo and Dennis Idausa. We dey beg. When I touch a place from our heart, when I will get considered for my Iduoriyekemwen. Undermining. Everybody not face one side. When you are supporting APC, other one can support BDP, other one can support AGA, other one can support Labour. But at the end of the day, we are still brother and sister, we are still friends. But the way they call it do for Nigeria now, anything politics now, the opposition or no opposition, we will come be enemy, which is very bad. We the people they campaign for them. We the people they cover for them. More they suffering. More they suffering. More now they push all those people to become fire to them. All those the one where my brother Abba they talk back. Now to put more fire. If you put more fire, just that the government vex overnight, they carry caterpillar. What they destroy, you not go see anything do. It don't finish. The best way to say you want help. Now protection you give her. Now BP you can't give to Iduoriyekemwen that time. All those will not be help. The waiting you supposed to fight for, but waiting lead to say we now want to go destroy the hotel. I be more tell the word so that we will know. Say if everybody go blame her to you, we will begin a blame her. If we know we blame her, we not go blame her. If maybe not to support to beg us, if not because of the tax, we will beg. If not maybe not courtist level or criminality, we not will beg. Now that one we supposed to fight for. Not be the one who say, now so this one, now so this one, now so no, all those one are papa gather to the put fire, brother. You dare Europe with my children, you Nigeria. You know how much is gaining for that hotel. To the putting fire to make government to ground to destroy the hotel. Which gain you want gain, my brother about? You will feel fire on that hotel for my Iduoriyekemwen? No. I bet more the top better reasonable word. Election don't pass, election don't pass. Government get right to destroy anything, but Mona will maintain on a mat. The time of Obaseki, now those things start. Obaseki they do that time. No one of you come and they talk say the foundation way they made for ground so it's not good. Now you don't reach Iduoriyekemwen body now. Una begin they cry. One are not cry because Lutan of Atoni Kabaka that time. Lutan of Tony Kabaka. Who are not cry that time? You don't reach my Iduoriyekemwen. Everybody they cry. More they do good things. With the beg una. If anybody is doing something evil, more they quarrel with us say make come out eye for them may not do that evil act again. If they read that when they talk to Obaseki data, Obaseki for not become the one we did today, where he come be the enemy of everybody, we come turn most of the enige to the floor member, to who they don't know again. I bet brother, all those propaganda, while they are saying when they use na brain, when they use na brain, all those who are not be helping, they help Iduoriyekemwen, Iduoriyekemwen, you are elderly man. You have to use your sense. Not be all those who are pushing. As it be so, may you know where to start from. If not to go to Ministry of Enemy of House and Tax Planner, go and investigate. What did they happen? So that if not the B, go and pay the B. Not be said that they talk, say why they do that. All those who are they talk, all those media people that they give money, they talk to our governor. More than they talk nonsense to our governor. More our governor the revenge. Thank God someone say na ANEC governor. Not be ANEC. If anybody vote, not be ANEC they read the result. Now ANEC read the result now. If you like say you do school, you do exam. Now you want to read your result by yourself. Not be your teacher want to read your result so you pass the exam what you do. So now ANEC they read result. Any name will not give to Okpebholo. So family do where to with their dose. And now ANEC governor want do something on they cry. Una they cry. Una mat no good. That una mat Papa go bend now. One go take see good thing, I go they bend outside now. I beg, Mr. Excellency, Mona bring all those people to book, all those evil people with they bini. But I beg, all those property when they destroy no good. Mona they turn out to the government house. So that many people this street will not get, many they stay there. With the beg una. With the beg una. I beg una. All my lovely people at those states, I beg we are still waiting for the proof. We lead to go destroy this in my Iduoriyekemwen house. We are waiting. We are waiting, please. Who know the inner heart? I bet Mona allow the world to know what it happen, so that we'll know where to start, so that we know we'll beg. If not the one will continue to beg, we'll continue to beg. May God bless all the love those people. But Mona share this video, Mona put love and like, and Mona see thumbs up, and Mona see the press follow. So anytime I enter like where I want to bring up boge, I'm gonna see the listen. The one we go for us and I take, and the one not good that go to where the Papa God begin the breath of in Jesus' name. Oba talk by is where do you want to why so new egg? Yeah, my Edo people, home and abroad, I've been a guy. Hello, my Edo people. I saw a series show. I bet more share. For those who get here, may they hear. Those who not get here, may they not hear. But more we see they ask the question, they go before we go hear the main proof concerning hotel where they want to destroy. Concerning Iduoriyekemwen hotel, whether they real according to where they talk and they go allegedly and not they there. They say that they do meeting for there, and you see they support all those fighting of community. They support them with ammunition, and you see they send all those our cultist boys. We never know the inner heart. Now according to the way they say. That's why I played the video just now where Apostle talk. So we never know the inner heart of all those things. So nevertheless, me I see plan back to the people. When I see here whether it involve, if he not involved, if he still involved, we go still wait for the penalty. I know the bet for the anything where they support evil people where they back. But if not tax of it, you not pay, I beg government, our governor, touch your heart and make sure you forgive me and go pay the tax. If not the tax, if in another thing concerning all those cultists supporting or cultists or supporting or fighting of community to buy people, I know they support that one.
Yes, this afternoon we come here say they want to demolish Iduoriyekemwen house. I want to watch this video when Iduoriyekemwen cut the talk. Then I'll come back. I'll go answer a question.
Wondering why a state, I don't know whether it's politics are playing, why a state want to, destroy an indigenous investment. For reasons the other day, the land here, I consider the land, the vote to and that is still on. I saw it in papers later, they said they voted that. So this one that they're doing, I don't know what it is they're doing, and they said they want to demolish it. And then they are asking for investors to come and stay. If there are reasons we want to demolish it, let me know. Oh, people have violated this. I think this hotel will full approval from the government. The person who was in the there, I think was a chaplain, and he personally handled all the approvals in this place. So there was nothing that was done here that was done without government approval. So I don't know for what reason they want to do what they are doing. And I still want to believe that the government is not aware of this. Maybe this would be the work of overzealous appointees of government. But I can say this is my investment, and I feel my house to go to this year. My name is Patrick. Hold on. My name is Patrick. Some 2 minutes ago, they came just with loads of us, with security people inside, wearing black and black with guns, just covered the gate and said they came to seal up the facility. Okay, where is the demand notice? What are you sealing the facility for? They didn't tell us. What happened? Where are you from? They just said that they're from the Ministry of Town Planning. I said, okay, so why are you sealing it? No reason, no comments. That I should just come to their office. That's okay, if they are sealing a place, you need to give us a demand notice. Tell us exactly what we did, where we have defaulted for us to seal the facility. No comments. They had the paper with them. I kept insisting for them to give me the paper, but they then said no, they're not going to give me the paper. They just wanted to seal the place as directed. So there was no cause for this in the first place. Even if there was cause for it, there's a process for you guys to take. But the whole place just looked like a jungle where people just act the way they feel like acting, they feel like doing without recourse to anything whatsoever. It's just embarrassing.
Now that watch Iduoriyekemwen, this evening on a media rats about no your man. he go come and come address this issue. Take your phone now. If no match it, wanna call her now. Take your phone, call Abba, say make it control the mat because if video we want to do now, I go make that trailer go arrive there tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.
They go leave you.
Here we are to
before they listen to your media rat, Abba.
Oh, power.
Your former guy, I name your former guy. I name the guy. I know because this one hotel. Okay. The former guy, actually, I name.
And I don't say all those kind of the way Abba is talking to. This one not be to see the end of the title of the film. All those one are to put more fire and fire and fire and fire and fire. Una not ask question. Waiting lead to come and put ban for the hotel. And not be said they arrest they don't arrest Iduoriyekemwen. Iduoriyekemwen talk just now before the pastor post to the talk. But I never understand. What did the apple?
See, they are coming for the police.
Good. You don't listen to Abba. You see, as Abba the
Abba, you say una they come for Benin. Now this one Abba say he talk that way say Nigeria go sink. The other one or the online say he go catch fire. If BDP no win for local government say go catch fire. Wait till una see for Benin body Abba. All those one not be to help Iduoriyekemwen for real.
Master, wait, Abba, you be idiot. They not destroy Tony Kabaka hotel.
Okay.
Fire 4.
Nothing. Nobody talk.
They not destroy Tony Kabaka hotel. When you know happy when they destroy, I say yes. They not destroy Tony hotel. You were proud when Obasa can destroy her. So who be Iduoriyekemwen when they know if destroy her? Okay. Hotel.
Okay.
Who be Iduoriyekemwen they know if they destroy Tony ho Eboma day. Nothing happen. Nothing happen. Now you go make. I know say you hate Iduoriyekemwen because I know say your prayer and I made a destroyed in my house. But I know, yes, because you come out today, you come miss yan. When you go miss yan, you say okay, since now bad, I want to talk what they want to do for this state or not. Then number 2, make I react to Iduoriyekemwen. Ibadomo, how you doing? Thank you. See, this is my first time doing video for you. I want to ask you a question. You say they come mark your house for demolition. You be Curtis. I the first question I want to ask you. Okay, in case you don't be Curtis. You the sponsor Curtis.
Okay. Number 2.
Did they do Curtis meeting for your hotel?
Number 3.
If I answer the question for comment section.
Okay.
You don't support community with ammunition.
Number 4.
Okay, they answer for comment section.
Number 5, go.
Felicity to talk.
If this thing goes too much in your own favor, you will lose your job.
They will say if you want to have it all, you lose your job.
You cannot be the judge.
Will you pay tax before today?
Number 5.
Question. They say, what is your hotel? Will you pay tax before today? Can I make them want to destroy?
That's number 5.
To seal your hotel. Now see they seal and never destroy. So if all these questions when I ask you, you are guilty of one. Tell me now, come and tell me now I will take back for you. Especially if not the one of Curtis, you know, come you. Is going down in case you go for task. I beg, go on leave your hotel. I beg, Mona, your liver. We know say because we know sometimes you understand. Sometimes bad happen for election. No coming. And I remember what
Number 6, what talk?
I know it.
Mona, they hear this one.
Because rumor has it that you were the one that sponsored the people who came to attack us at the airport. Allegedly. Because many things tie you, many things. Many things tie you.
Many things tie, but anything they tie. Anything they tie. It depends where they anywhere everything tie. I they talk for ITV. They talk, brother. You get mad. Somebody.
If one bust us in a tear, allegedly, they say I know what call the talk. So the question when I ask you, just answer me. If now say na tax matter, they tell you ahead, you calculate the 8 years where your boss secretary power, you go see as you want to settle them. But if now all those courts, the governor say go destroy the place where for the do meeting. And you don't understand me. So if you be say they do meeting for your crash, you they sponsor them, or you be their patron, or you be their matron, because this killing when they happen for those state now, we will not take it lightly. I said talk and say the people who they supposed to be asked question, now be Asumwe Igodaro and PDP state Shema, not be APC state Shema. It was a state.
Now police they're supposed to
PDP
ask.
state Shema, because after they finish
Now police they control.
Stakeholders meeting,
All those ones that they arrest, where they did.
Like kill start for Benin. So you go to ask yourself question, because they don't catch some people and they don't they talk
Okay.
sponsor their leader,
Okay.
where they back them up and every other thing.
Okay.
We understand it.
Okay.
And call Abat one Abat.
Now the year now.
No go if Abat love you, may not go.
Since they carry some people, all those ones they confess. If they
fire for this man.
if people they catch some people they confess, they're going to show them for television. All those people who confess, so who they confess, they outside the talk for ITV say they want to come destroy your hotel. Why they not arrest her? I be get people where they arrest. If maybe people confess and they go arrest her, they'll bring out a book. The world go see her. Who they say they want confess? In the talk for ITV say they want the poop ban for your hotel. We don't understand all those issues at all.
If Abat dear the governor for his video, they will let her know say Senator Monday Okpebholo is the executive governor of this state. You don't dare him. Thank you.
Thank you. Not be small something that they see. Not be small something. This life is not easy. You know easy. If now waiting go on for airport, you know if they are poor. Oh yeah, wanna begin to show them how would they see them. Wanna begin to show them. Now this one about talk. Look at about.
Yeah, they call for DVD. I'm a chairman when I call for it. You don't. Never gonna share the video. Make this video rich.
Who want to show your video? I'm an governor. You. I'm a governor. They put pepper for now. Mama for real. I'm a governor. They put pepper for now. More than not cry too much. Not be an governor you call her. And that's so it's supposed to be a battle bazaar. That's all I be. Anything with somebody, because the only thing me be where me they talk of anybody where they catch it in any crime. More now they bring them to boom, more they see them for the world. According to the way you talk as they catch some people as where you go airport. If they catch the people where you go airport, make them bring them to book. Sorry, make them bring them to book. So that the world will see her. Make them not call it say because of politics of a thing. My Edo people, we are still waiting for the update concerning the Iduoriyekemwen house where they destroy. So that we are still waiting for the update. But Mona still go tell Tipper Garage, Tipper Association Chairman Osaro Agbeka, may it take time for Edo State to may leave Edo State alone, may they build us so. May Edo people they build us. No Osaro Agbeka, may not they carry our son. Not be only Osaro Agbeka be city of Edo. Osaro Agbeka, we are telling you now, say, abeg, you not get any right to cross the bush. And so it be, una do well. My name remain Osaze Efosa Uwelu, Ego TV. Na bye-bye. Wanna they subscribe with me anytime, any day. And make sure I enter line, and I will get the I'll be good because they hear the story with the apple as they be, and so they talk because we are independent man.